Menteri rang ba kejelau konrad kongkal sangma hang kerwok lengba ka Facebook page jong
No,
Ulakan
no,
pau ke
no.
jing songsi bat phak ka kubor sengulem shke bahayeng jong i Heprit Insaphira leng dok maunai dat ba betharu i Tnad Pulit bagi di ben penlong i ke jing Tohkit ke bniah bniah i ke badan keti ban shem ke jing im jong ni Heprit la ben kedawang ni baya kemet basa jong i Heprit Insaphira leng dok maunai sausnem gerta lalap haka kat santrik nai lur arhajar arpusan na kowe ke jaka pelang jong kowe ke yeng ke bang shna thmai ha nonglom brei jong shnong Nongrah I Heprit Insaphira lejak na layeng haka kat sautrik nai luar arhajar arpusan haka por mistep kat baidang le akai pelau yeng pada bagi bahayeng kala penlong ke jengwat kim shun lalap dian chu bat data duduk ka kat santrik nai luar belalap ekamet ke basa jong ini Heprit ya kamet basa jong Heprit Insaphira lalap akapor kendai bejin step deki misteri iba pentre ya kene kayeng bagi misteri haba kilawan jeng kene kajaka kali I jat bapau sabar na kowe kajaka pelang bat habala let ban pejajan kilalap ekamet yap jeng Heprit kabala pendam pelup bat bala bandu mau ni kibenta jong kamet marmar hi kila lek pentip no ekene shki borshnong haga baki borshnong kila pentip shki bor Pulit mana kila yang ketunat Pulit kapok kejing lam superintendent ki Pulit East Khasi Hills rengkat bat ka forensic crime scene unit kila wan hiar shkene kejaka ban le ka badan kam ya kamet basa jing ni Heprit lapan kit no Chanegrims Hospital ban le ya ka badan kam
Nongrah incident. This child, 4-year-old child, she went missing since yesterday on Sunday. At about the parents came to know that she had gone missing at about 8:45 and had lodged a missing report in Jingshah police station. Search was made in the whole locality along with BDP locality members, family members, police, dog squad, and all that. But the child was not found, and well, the search continued. And this morning, one of the laborers working in a construction site close by about 100 meters from the house found the body. After finding the body, the forensics team had been called and all that. The body was lifted from there and taken to Nigrims. Post-mortem has been conducted. We are waiting the report, and family members, actually, the post-mortem has been done today. The family members have gone to the police station to file a complaint. Case is being registered. An SIT will be formed on this case to ascertain the facts of the matter and to also zero down on the culprit or culprits. So investigation is will actually, once we delve more into this case and get the forensic reports and other analytics, then we'll be able to get a clearer picture of things. The case is registered as we speak now, under murder charges. So once we start probing, then the picture will be clearer. So the workers actually, there's a worker who found the body in the morning. So we have actually examined the person. We'll be examining more people as the investigation progresses. After she went missing, alerts were sounded everywhere to all our police stations, to all units outside. And in fact, we had given out a lookout notice everywhere, thinking that she might have been lost somewhere. The sit will be headed by SP City and overall by me.